Hi guys, it's me again, you're the Weekend Wonder. Naragpatawag ko guys kay grabe akong layover na abot ko 12 hours muguro to. Like duha ka lounges akong nastayhan pero okay ra kay nakalibre ko pamahaw pa nito panihapon and buffet. Bitaw, so for those who were asking about the requirements on my travel here in Singapore, I was actually shocked that the um, the immigration officer in Pinas, they just asked me one question, and that was my COE. And so since I have prepared the soft copy, ako orang gipakita ang atong soft copy, and that was just it. And then diretso dayon, tatak dayon. So I think there's no problem, and so far indot kaayo diri guys kaning immigration sa Singapore, and no need nag kanang kana ganing interaction og tao or officer. Ang ilaha diri is ano ra jud siya, machine ra jud siya, imo rang i-tap imuhang passport, and then mo kuan na ka kanang thumb mark ra ka, okay na din siya, lusot na dayon. So the best airport so far. I've been to a lot of airports, kani ang pinakanindot jud, and ako kaayo, like ug dili ka mag-abtik og pangita mawa ka, but yeah, this is really nice. So again guys, for those who are asking or were asking about what are the requirements in getting here if you're planning to visit Singapore, in my case it was just COE, so it was just my certificate of employment. And I think for others, like if you were first timer, make sure na naara kay kuan mga bank statement nga makasupport, or credit card, or may nana. But if you're employed, murag maura jud to siya COE lang. So that's it guys, thanks, see ya.